It's the alphabet safari. Come along and see letters and their animal friends, as happy as can be. Sing and dance together from A to Z on this alphabet safari. I is for Iguana, sunning in the heat. J is for Jaguar, quick on its feet. K is for Kangaroo, bouncing so high. On this alphabet safari. M is for Iguana, sunning in the heat. J is for Jaguar, quick on its feet. K is for Kangaroo, bouncing so high. L is alphabet safari. N is for monkey, swinging through the air. N is for nightingale, with songs to share. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, in black and white. Q is for quail, waddling so small. R is for rabbit, hopping through it all. S is for snake, who slithers with a smile. T is for tiger, prowling in style. U is for umbrella bird with feathers on E. V is for vulture, in the jungle heat. W is for whale, splashing near the shore. X is for X-ray fish, and there's so much more. Y is for yak, grazing on the ground. Z is for zebra with stripes all around.